Okay, so after the video I made on the Loco Remote Mini a few days ago, I've had a brainwave as to why it's not running so well. As you can see, I've taken the connection rods off, and basically what you're seeing there is that she is now running on just 10% power, quite happily. So if I take this screwdriver and just try and shove that across, yeah, I think that crosshead is the culprit. Okay, so this is the results of about an hour's work. It's currently on 5% power, and as you can see, this crosshead is now moving nice and smoothly. Basically what I found was that the rod was actually being forced inwards towards the frames, so basically that whole setup was not sitting square. So what I've done is I've packed the cylinder block with a couple of pieces of card just so the rod would be pushed outwards and become more central with the slide bars. And as you can see, that seems to have done the job. So here we are in the garden. I'm just going to give the Loco a try, see how she runs on the track. Here you can just see me clipping in the small LiPo battery that powers this thing. I was quite amazed how small this thing was when it turned up. But yeah, I got about 5 of them in a pack with the charger, which was about a tenner. So it's not too bad really, actually very good. Yeah, it just simply goes into the boiler barrel and then just put the smoke box back on, and she's pretty much ready to go. And so here you can see me just trying it out, light engine, and looking at the speed, you can see immediately that the performance is a lot better than it was before. Just moving away at about 10 to 15% speed. Beforehand it was more like, I don't know, 45 to 50. And that was purely down to that sticky crosshead, which, as you can see, is now fixed and it's performing a hell of a lot better. I have managed to get this crawling at about 5% speed, which is a lot better, much better than before. Still a little bit stiff to get going, but I'm sure that will ease out as the gets more use. So yeah, I'm pretty happy now with the Loco Remote and the engine. So yeah. Just goes to show, really check your Loco over and get it running, and just try and find these faults before, you know, blaming somebody else, I suppose. Even though I never really blamed Loco Remote, because I've seen plenty of videos of their products running superbly on other models, so I knew it wasn't going to be their fault. Just down to my building experience, really. But there you go. So there you can see the little Loco pulling the one coach quite happily. A nice controlled speed. We push it back into shot. And then I attempt to put another coach on. And this bit I speeded up purely because, yeah, you'll see I struggle a little bit trying to get the couplings on. Trying to get the coaches hooked on with the Loco and the other coach on. Yeah, it's a bit tricky. Coaches, by the way, if you're interested, are by IP Engineering. They're nice kits. You can see I painted them in a nice, well, a bright blue. It's going to be a bit flat, but you know. And yeah, you can see I eventually lost patience and grabbed me Dad's little hook he uses for his O-gauge models. Which, yeah, made the job a bit easier. He says, there you go. Hooked up now. Quite happy with the result. And there she goes. Pushing both coaches along quite happily. So I'll leave you some shots of the engine running along the line. Enjoy.